Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Edo election don't show us the kind of power we will get. Now be the message we Cephas bring come this morning. So make I leave you now, make you hear from Cephas. Enjoy the video.
This one when me I can't do today. Now for our young brothers, when they for Edo State, we no fit go school because of one situation or the other. And that's why I want to use our best language when be pidgin, take talk for this live video. Now see, everything when happen for Edo State election don't show to us the power when we get as people, as citizens. As the power, we don't realize them today. Make we redirect and make we make sure say we use them better everybody life. Because all these things when we dey talk about so many people they fit get access. They enter for government office. They get access to go collect anything when they want from government. But not be every citizen now get that kind of privilege to just go enter government office to go collect something or to go ask for something. For una wey no go school, wey no get job, una participate for this election. Una vote. But as e come be now say government don't enter, how una want to get work? Because for every organization, as they employ people when go school, now so they see they employ people when no go school. People when no go school for Edo State. Why una no get association? Abuna the shame say una no want make people know say una no go school. They're not the shame put. This school of a thing, e no suppose be priority for the things we suppose to do for this life. Now because say Nigeria never develop, that is why everybody they feel say if you no go school, you no go fit make am. Country where they develop, many of them dey. If you go some European countries, so many white people they will not sabi speak English. Now only their local language now that they speak. Many of them are great engineers. Great engineers. Not be matter of say you must go university before you go fit dey relevant for your society. Because the thing they pay my mind. As I don't go through many things, many videos of many criminals when they don't ever carry, when they don't cash for this country. Many of them are those ones who no even go school. So pidgin English, now they ask them question. Why it can't be say people when no go school? Now they come many pass for crime. Why they like that? Crime no be work. Me, I know say many of us they go into crime because say we don't know the right way to go about the things of life. But today don't come. Me won't bring up my time for now. Moku see what we fit achieve together for this society now. Nothing they wrong if people when no get work for Edo State, may they come together, get what thing that they call association of people when no get work. Una go get that association. Ikpobaka go get their own. Ikpobaka local government. Una go get their one and go the whole meeting. Say people when no get work. Because the best way we feel they enjoy from government direct, now everybody they find so. Sometimes your representative, that they give them money when government they call subvention. May they come do something for local government so that people when they for local government, they go get work. But sometimes these people they go shocking the money for pocket, they no go do anything. And if we want to talk, we go say state government know the work. No knowing say government don't carry money give person when they represent you for your local government. The person don't chop am alone. If una get association of people where not get work, una the whole meetings. For that meetings, una go dey teach una self better things of life. Una go dey help una selves on how to get it right for life. Even people like us go dey come, we go come dey give lectures. Even when employment, company fit come Edo State now say, they come Edo State, they come put company for Edo State. It go dey easy for them to locate the leader of the Association of Jobless Youth in Edo State. See, it not be crime, not even that they laugh person put. Not be wetin that they laugh person put if you no get work. Me see they talk am today, say, government get luck, say, me when if as no oba, I get work when I dey do. If to say I no get, me I go know how to collect something from government personally without I no go need anybody. It dey very simple. If hunger dey kill me, instead of make I go carry gun, make I go thief, make police use me take shine, kill me throw away anyhow. I go carry my bag, I go carry my clothes, pack am for inside Ghana must go for government house gate, sit down for there, even though they no gree make I enter for a house. Government house na everybody house o. We even get government house pass governor. Governor go spend only 4 years or 8 years, they go comot. But government house na our own. We own. If I dey for the gate there, even though the police flog me, they do everything make I comot, I no go. If they ask me wetin be my problem, I tell them say I no get food chop, I no get work to work. No I know how when government no go see to my problem. Because me believe say that kind of humiliation better pass say I go carry gun. Make police come dey use me dey shine. Una dey see how people, how police, how our government take dey kill criminals today for this society. They go kill person half before they come carry and come for media. You go even see when person dey cry for death, you no go see death. The thing dey pain me. The mind when that person get to go dey do that kind thing. If to say him redirect that kind strength, definitely he go must find a better way to solve him problem. Wetin dey worry most of us wey no get work wey be youth for Edo State na say we need everything sharp. Nothing when they come sharp. Anything when they come sharp no dey last. I go dey give us many instances for this video when I come do today. Nothing like sharp for life. Everything get process. We go dey take am small, e go dey go small. Even this election when come so when go. If people when no get job get better association, una make sure say una organize una self. Una dey hear now say doctor they go say they want go for strike. Everybody when be doctor they go strike because they get association. Once they don't conclude, it don't come. They go do am. If una when no get work, if una get association, even as this election time comes so, now so these candidates go dey come. Say they come no me say make una come because say una no get work. Make they come dey buy una with money. No. Una go fit even make them to sign. Make they tell una if una be 2,000 youth wey no get job. Make they assure una say they go fit give about 1,000 within 2 years and another 1,000 with another 2 years. Wey be 4 years for first tenure for government. If una begin do am like this, life go begin better for us. The time and the strength when we take go dey kill ourselves all in the name of confraternity, they show say we be ogaranya. The strength when we take go dey carry gun, go dey kill other people door, they break, they enter the thief wetin we no put for them. If we carry that strength come together, say make we be one. Make we be one. We go get wetin we dey call Association of Jobless Youth in Edo State. Nothing wey they shame put. Because me no know the one way, because me believe say the shame will say you no get what better pass say the shame will say they kill you through away like a thief. Armed robber. Many of our people today, no they want to invest for our states because of say the way we will be you till they do our things. Now make I shock una. I got one of my brother because I told her before say me I dey manage private security company. That my brother come call me say he don't take one, he don't yet say I dey manage private security company. Say he won't get one. Make I no lie give una. Where I dey manage that company now for Uyo. The capacity of the youth when I don't employ for Uyo now 500 for security. Security work when we dey look say na yeye work for Nigeria. You know there as it did before. Everything are rebranded, everything are brain. As you see me so, me as a big cut flower. I learn am well well. Everybody, any person wey come learn, wey come do security work with me, I go teach you how to cut flower. I go teach you how to do industrial cleaning. Correct cleaning, no be ordinary cleaning anyhow. If me personally use my hand clean your house for you, you go know say yes, person clean your house. I dey teach them how to clean house well well. I dey teach them how to cut flower well well. I dey teach them how to breed dog well well. So they get people when they come find security for my hand. As I give them security, I go, they feel say they need dog too for the security. Now, the security person I go take go there go be person wey sabi take care of dog. Some go say they need security wey sabi cut flower because some people know they like make too much people they enter their compound because of security purpose. You put security man for house, another person go from outside, they come they cut your flower. Now, very big security risk be that one. Because that person when they go, they come. You don't know what thing carry for mind. Now, my security man, I go to cut your flower for you. Some of these people, when they cut flower, they do security joiner. They are receiving up to about 35,000 naira. I no go feel like give you every month. The security work na 20. The flower own na 15. That's so clean your own be. But if you say you no want to do all those on only security na 20, you go to receive. At least not be the work when you go do for your entire life. Many people when they work with me now most students when don't finish their part 1 for school, they go for IT. Now most of them, now they even they rush, they come look for work. Use and pass that time, make they not go they do nonsense before they go back to school again. There's so many people when not see go school, they still collect this work. They use and they patch on. They solve some basic amenities before they go think of better things they won't go do with their life. Me when they talk so, I don't sleep for security house. I don't do security work. Me don't do one. They're not the big pass thing for life. Because me believe say, that one, no shame, no dare. Now wait till you won't take shop, put for your belly. If better pass say you go thief, they can't they do you anyhow. Policeman, when they want to make it kill you, when they give God make it kill you, you don't know whether na him be the real thief. You can humiliate yourself. That humiliation, it passed the one of say you be security. Now this my brother now come call me say he want get security for Edo State. As me and you they talk now. Me and the barrister don't talk this morning. The registration they don't do and finish. He say everything for the security now from outside country, he want bring them come. So that if in security then wear uniform. If then there for duty post, you go know say yes. Now this person, private security company be this. It go dey very easy to differentiate from other security company. Now my people, like say we get what they call am Association of Jobless Youth for Edo State now. Even I don't want to put am jobless, but una know as una go take, organize am. Una know as una go take organize am. Then this kind of thing now, as this kind of thing come now, we go call for una elder or for una leader for that association. Say we need 500 people for company like this. Now the leader now go the zone people, they recommend people because the association not be only just to come gather, just come they talk. Una go they come they learn things. I don't enter bank, don't see many people where in go school. If they talk, it go be like say they put class for sheets. They no sabi talk well. They arrogant, they saucy. I don't know as I want to put am. So all these things now we go they come there, they teach people. If you get this kind of work, see the kind of behavior when you supposed to go they behave for them. As a worker, you're not supposed to sabotage the company where you work. You're not supposed to thief for them. You're not supposed to talk to people anyhow. You're not supposed to disrespect your oga. We go they come they teach you now many things. My people, make we put waiting with everybody be more put them behind because nobody will not be one thing or the other. Now the way when we go take go forward, now we suppose to think now. This life we go feel make and day easy for us. If all these things dey in place, it go dey easy for our people to dey come home. Even when they want worker, they know where they go. Nah. They know where they go. No. They go get workers immediately. Now, if una when not get work, they wait. Make people like us get work. Come they protest for una. Come they fight for una. Now we say life go hard more for una. There's a person where we should I know where they pay now. Like me, they talk to you now. I tell you, say I dey manage security company. I know how much I dey get there at the end of the month. I be farmer. Now managerial work now they do. If I come out early the morning, go around everywhere my boys then they work. The one when they too far, I go call them. How is the area? They go give me report, say area is cool and calm. I no get any reason to go there again. But the problem day, I go leave anything when they do, I go rush, go there, go see how it be. The problem no day, I go dey inside my farm, they do my farm work. You know, go come expect person like me to come out for street, say, had they protest, say, had they look for work for government. Now you will not get. Now you suppose come out, then we go come support una for back. People like us no go fit come and say, "Mo do protest for una," because even most una not get patient for life. Even most of una not get patient for life. Na una just want. Waiting go be tomorrow. You know, be waiting most of una they think. And you know good, my brothers. That's why I come out. Man, I use this time to talk to us. If any of una show interest for this thing when I talk, I get big plan. Even though I know they part of the association, I go dey give una idea. One I go take dey relevant for the states. Not the only person when go school they dey relevant. Like I talked before, people when they Europe when no go university, many of them be doctors. Many of them be engineers. For that way, they go school of engineering, not be to speak grammar. Now it be school. Now wait till you get to deliver. Now it be school. For that place now, we go begin teach people how you fit to acquire skill, how you fit to learn business. People when get businesses today, they need lawyer apprentice. Another problem again, most of our people we know they lawyer. It's a part of the problem. If this association fit come now, people they behave well. I tell you, now job go they look for us. No be we go they look for job. If person like me can say, okay, now it's very easy. If this association now na fit organizer, if you there for Ikpobaoka, you not suppose just come they talk anyhow say governor know they work. You suppose first talk to your representative first. If this association dey on ground now, una go fit send some delegate go meet to una representative for Ikpobaoka. Say we no get work. Government don't enter house for how many years now? Or how many months now? We no get work. Ikpobaoka representative, for you to know saying they active, now you go come carry on a message. You go carry and go give governor say, see my people for my local government, they cry, they no get work. Now youth when want really work, they don't want put their hand for batting. The government go not find way to see to una problem. In one way or the other, sometimes government that they give representative something make they can't give for local government representative, they go chop am for only their belle. When una go meet am again, e no give una the correct answer. Una go fit pack all of una as una take many. Go for in office for gate that day, they themselves make them no work. Make una no carry gun, make una no carry stick, make una no carry stone. Protest now for Nigeria is now an act of terrorism because of the way and manner we people take they do protest. No be so. Me, I don't experience protest for Edo State before. That's why me, I no go feel lead any protest. No be say I dey fear. As I dey here now, I fit talk say, oh yeah, tomorrow more come out for so and so something. Government must do it. And everybody, me myself, I go lead the protest. But you know why I no go fit do this that kind of thing? I don't experience protest before. Because now me when go come out say I want lead protest. Now me when government go hold if any bad thing happen for that protest. That's why some people no want put their hand for that kind of thing. No be say to do it with the fear. When Oshomole, when they still in mandate, now we when come out, we start the protest from Upper Sakoba. Now we do that protest. Come out for Sapele Road. When we come reach for Kada, this our father Esama's eateries. Now so young boys, so some of our youth were just there with us, they just divide themselves. Now so they pack enter inside the eateries. Police and the people when they walk, all of them run. people enter inside the kitchen, carry chicken, carry different things. People wey carry the shares for that car, that they carry all of them. As they carry all those things, they not come follow us again. No, they come carry those things go house. You see, most of them are opportunists. You see, they don't showcase their kind of hunger when they worry them. So I don't know how Oshiomhole take solve that problem with Esama of Benin, because now Oshiomhole, when they know say now he lead that protest, the people follow him. So that's why most of us know they do. And you go the same person go they do protest for better thing, for country or society to do better. People when they follow you go they thief for people shop. They go they burn cars. They go they stone. No be so protest suppose go. That is why when you do all those things, government go not get upper hand to tell police, oh yeah, begin shoot. Because no, that will not be protest. I'm going to destroy things. Police go come get out to begin to shoot at you people. Meanwhile, una no carry gun. But protest, if na song una dey sing, una go just dey sing. They together, they gyrate. The major thing I say, if na road, una just hold strong. Say nobody they go, nobody they pass. Una go hold that road strong. Nobody they go, nobody they pass. If anybody want talk to una, representative go come and come talk. Why una dey here, una tell them why una dey here, and we know they come out until we get this here, or we get good answer. Maybe government go come and say, yeah, make una no worry, more na come out for road. You come see me for office, more now we'll take discuss this thing. Government if you know just give all of una work. That's why association good. The one when give work, we go know so all these ones they don't get work. Then the one we never get, una go see the whole meetings. One go the exercise patients. Now some government when really get sense go begin they call so many private organizations if any vacancies there. Once they said they go they call on a leader, so yeah, take 2 go here, take 10 go there, take 50 go there. Every local government supposed get association of youth where no get job. Even time of election come. Before, una see what we do for this election. But before, now few people go they meet with candidate for inside room, they go sign. They will come they tell us where be the real masses when go even vote to, come they tell us lies. But today, we change that kind of thing. You will be normal youth guy for that state now, or for your local government, for our state like this. You get the way you go organize association. Candidate where want come out for anything, they go come see you. They go drive motor with convoy. Come see you. Imagine say you be the leader of the youth where not get work for Ikpobaoka or Oredo or for Uromi, for anywhere. They go come see you. Then come see you know me say, make you come collect money. Make people see there as their life day. You and the people now deal together on how to solve the problem of unemployment for our people. Technical school supposed to be one another major thing. Okay, we suppose they make our youth life they busy. Nothing they wrong. Many people they will be with the repair motor for year. Motor where Oyibo don't throw away for their side. If you come if our people pull hand, the motor go come back to life. What thing they wrong if we get better big company where many youth go they work, they do that thing. So now we no get work. Now you go come and then we now go now they support una from back. They support una from back. If to say Obaseki give up this in fight, it is say we for continue to the fight for her. No. As we see your courage, you know one give on us, oh yeah, we say we dey your side. They go. We dey. Most see that way what happen. Now we take get victory today. So my people, say we dey carry gun up and down, they kill ourselves. No be the way forward, no be to show say we be big boys. Make we calm down. If we calm down, life go better. If you person want solve hunger problem, you not get any automatic way to solve them. Any problem, anybody when want solve any problem, not get any automatic way to solve them. Make one example for us. Batting no be our own in Jesus' name. It be like when people they go for road now, they can't get accident. Maybe person leg can't cut at that process for the accident. The person fit still there alive. The person fit hold his leg. My leg go, my leg go, my leg go, my leg go. Blood go the flow. They go carry that person go hospital. Say they carry the person enter hospital. You know me say the leg go just come back or the pain go just stop. No. doctors now go begin dey do wetin dem go fit do to subside the pain small. The pain go still dey there. If na 1 year e go take for that injury to heal, that person go dey still feel pain before that leg go heal. Na so hunger problem be. Hunger no dey keep person in the real sense. Okay, make we look this case of this some of our brothers dem when they involve for this our lovely sister matter Uwa when they kill for inside church. Una hear wetin one of our brother talk when he dey confess to the crime wey they commit. Say the time when they take call am, say things dey very rough for am. They come carry am enter one place. They come swear oath without dem not tell am wetin he wan swear oath for. He can't go swear oath. He say because say he just need to get rid of his problem automatically. Now he take enter the big problem where he dey now wey be say he no go fit comot again. So which one can be the major problem? Now the major problem he can put himself. When he dey hungry, when things rough for am, he still get his own freedom. But now, he no get freedom again, hunger still dey inside. Who go dey give am 3 square meal for inside prison? You know dey ask yourself this question. You suppose. For me, any normal person no suppose do something because of say hardship. You suppose do something because of wetin you get passion for. That's why if I see they catch person for criminal, I know the 2 reasons say maybe because he no get work on. At the same as wetin he might choose make he go do. Now wetin he get passion for. And true, if you see when some people they shoot gun when they want collect wetin no be their own, you go know say they get passion for that thing. I don't experience armed robbers face to face. See the way that they shoot with full confidence, you go know say no, these people now wetin they choose to do with their life be this. E no dey justifiable to go put your hand for crime because they talk say na because say job no dey with country. No be so e suppose go, my people. So una make una use una because people now when get small opportunity now, make I tell una the truth. E go just hard for them to go there go dey talk una problem. Na their own problem they wan go dey talk. Like me dey now, na normal campaign and support now I do for Obaseki, our governor, when God will continue to dey bless. Before, during, and after this election, I no get right to go see Obaseki. Even now. Nobody wey I know for government house. Nobody. But I happy say my struggle, it counts for the success of our governor. Wetin I want back from and I say make it continue the development when it already start for our state. Now wetin I want. So that's why before, even during when I can't decide to say make I support, I no begin find leg say make I enter government house, make it foresee me. Even now when he win, I no go still go. I no go. I don't do my part as a citizen of this land. As Ovioto, I have done my part. Before election, could be manage here. So you that don't have wa kukube, wa ama kugbe, to beg all these our brothers when they for one fatality or the other. This one at the time for us all to come together. Moku forgive each other. If we say more begin the can scores, I no go lie you. This fight no go end. One person must lose. Say the person lose, no me say na the person I come weak pass. At least make peace for day I will land. At least make we if we move forward. Moku forgive. Make everybody come together. The thing even dey easy. Everybody will come together. If you dey for Bobaka, make una know where una go dey meet. If you dey for Oredo, make una know how una go take dey meet. From there, una go come choose a viable leader for una self. So that if una want have anything to be done, it go dey very simple. So my people, now this one say me I can't use this more time do for una. It will say me I get money to make life dey better for everybody. Me I for do am. E no dey. The one wey me I get now, na the one wey I take dey help myself small with my family. But if I most time I dey still help people, and the major help when I don't give people well now work. Me I dey give work. Me I know about 10 Edo boys dey with me for this Uyo when me I dey give work. Because say na managerial work when I dey do. my farm na Benin I dey do am, but my security work wey I dey manage no be my own. I no get money to open security company. To say I get money, I for open for Edo there. Then help many of my Edo youth. But me don't see carry many from Edo come Uyo, make them come dey work. So mainly, me I dey leave them. I get person when they supervise the work for me. I go dey Benin, they do my work. I say when big problem dey, me I go to Uyo, go solve the problem. So my people, make we abeg, make we take am jeje. Person when you want carry gun, want go harass, collecting thing from her. He also under sun, he also under rain. No being cause this suffer, what would they suffer so? So make we dey think. To go carry gun, go thief, no be the way to solve problem. Because person when you go thief from, you don't put am for wahala. Many people dey inside prison today. Say person give them money, make they go buy something. Maybe friends when they're close to them come here say money dey inside house. They go call am robber, they come carry that money. People when give am money go say, na lie, na you plan am. Many of them sit dey inside prison today. But you now they chop that money, you think say he go just dey well with you all through. It no be so. Even though police no catch you, kill you, God no go forgive you. Because you don't put another person for inside prison. So make we know they say because we want solve something, make we dey create another problem. No be so they take they get solution. Solution they come in a way say once e come, everywhere go balance. So now so it's supposed to be, my people. Edo State must definitely move forward. With this strength, with this cooperation, my brothers, let us come together. If you people are able to organize yourself, you don't need thousands to start. 2 people, 3 is enough. If una gather, and call me. Anywhere, whichever local government, for as small as in Edo State, I will come there. Make we plan projects together. For people who no get work, make them get work. Because my brothers, I no go lie give you now. Me, I get small one when I do. And the small one when I do, no be government work. Not the one when God and with my strength I fight for myself. Now I get. When I get them so more take things je. Me never get anything from government direct. Apart from say if they do good road, I dey enjoy the road. If they give us light, I dey enjoy the light. If they give us water, I dey enjoy water. Me still want make our society dey very peaceful. That's why I bring this idea now, so that our brothers go get work. As me get work now, I dey very busy. E go hard before I go put hand for crime. Most times say you put hand for crime, no, you no put hand for crime, not be say maybe you too dey righteous. But because you don't already dey engaged. Tell me, that will make me say, okay, make I go carry gun. You know, it go hard before that kind of thing go happen. As I even marry, I tell my wife, say, you know, say the country where we dey, it tough. The only way to live, not to plan. I tell her, say, I open up, see amount when they make at the end of the month. So now you be the mama for the house now. Make you plan house for us. In a way, be say, this money, it go dey reach us dey use every month. When be say, we no need to dey run here and there for anything. So that we no go fit dey run here and there for anything. No be everything we go must get for life. Make we leave big mansion aside. Make we leave exotic flashing cars. Make we leave all those things aside. Make we dey manage life first. Make we balance. Me when gather money marry so, no be so I take start. I no go lie give una. As I started as a security person for Uyo here, I was receiving 20,000 naira every month. Now through that, the person where they work for can't see the capacity where they inside of me. I can't even tell them, say, see what thing I don't even do for inside school. I don't be former GOC for anti-court for school for security. I can't even give an idea of security company. As I give them the whole plan. No. Money day. Many people get money. But they need not, they're not the only person who can do object. They need person who go see carry brain come. How their money go take increase. As I give them that project, now so it pop money immediately. Before you know, company don't settle. Before you know, me don't become manager. I live where I dey, become manager. So everything a brain, not be just power, muscle, not be just say mind, not be just say ruggedity. Ruggedity na the ability for you to feel survive in the right way. Not be say you go war, you go die, or you go they do nonsense. That be ruggedity. Now ruggedity na be my own today. Say me, I dey head I dey manage security company for another person state, not be my own state. You dey see am so? I dey manage security company for another man state. E get many places where they go call me, may I provide security. If you see there sef, you go dey fear. You no go wan provide any security there. I don't want my dianyagbon. I will provide. That will go back to my God. Say, Baba, you don't see my heart. Now my daily bread I define. Now protect. They say, me I can't protect. May anybody not come here. And truly, many places I don't they do the security work. You don't they go 4 years now. Ambraba never attack anywhere. Except only where me don't fair day before. But God still do am. Person still they alive. They survive, they go. So it better. If God not allow bad thing happen to me to say I even died that time as a security guard, how no go day than say I go thief, now they kill me. God forbid. So my people more take am small. I say make I use this time. Can't they talk to us in the language when it go dey easy for us to understand? Because if I say I speak normal English, I know they know where all this my grammatical constructions they come. Because now waiting already dey inside brain. That's why I say make I just bring am down to our Ogbonge language, wey be pidgin. So make we abeg, make we abeg, make we take things softly. Edo youth, anyhow wanna reason am, make una get back to me. So if as no over, now be my name for Facebook. If you write me, I go send you my number. Anywhere when you dey for Benin, me I go land. Me I go land because as we finish this election, I know like you are doing you like this now. Once una call me, I dey enter. And one time still reach for me to come check my farm, I dey come, I dey enter, check my farm. No nonsense they play. Me I go come. Anytime una call me, me I go come. Me I go come. Make we reason. Make we think way forward. How we take get better thing from government, for everybody, not be for one person. Una well done. May God continue to bless us in Jesus' name. It go better. It go better. Me, I get time for believe say it go better. Because me when day like this, not be like this, I take start. The guy has I take start. If I tell you I take start, you know go, you yourself, you know go dey happy. You go want maybe make you cry for me. But now God, I know which I dey fight for that time. So that's why I no give up. And today, see am now. Many people now they even pray make the day where I dey now. But no be so in be from the beginning. So now small. Ayawa koyo.
Now we don't hear from Cephas. Go to comment section. Let us know what you think about everything we Cephas don't talk now for this video. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, I beg, try make you subscribe and make you also help us share this video to friends and family. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.